If you work in an IT company, you know how crucial project management is to your business operations. We're talking about consulting, customizations, development, and support. Everything revolves around the ability to plan effectively, control costs, and deliver value. That's where Business Central comes in, specifically its project management capabilities. It all starts with planning. Each project is based on a flexible template that you can adapt to your methodologies, processes, and the different types of services you offer. You can define activities, phases, tasks, and workloads in advance and easily replicate successful structures. This allows you to build consistent yet customized projects, optimizing time and resources from day one. With Business Central, you can plan every operational aspect in detail: internal resources, external services, estimated costs, available capacity, and assigned roles. You have the flexibility to shape each project based on the client, contract type, and work complexity. Thanks to integrated planning tools, you always have a clear view of the economic and organizational impact, even before the project begins. Flexibility is total. You can manage fixed price, time, and material, or hybrid projects, tailoring work modes and billing to real needs. You decide how to allocate resources, which tasks they work on, how much time they spend, and what costs are expected. Everything is traceable, editable, and updatable, and most importantly, integrated into a single system. Every cost item is linked, every task has a specific context, and you can update the planning at any time, even mid-project, without losing overall coherence. This gives you a huge advantage in operational control, forecasting capability, and profit margins. And it's not just about planning what will happen. You can monitor progress in real time, compare actuals to planned data, and make timely interventions when needed. Because flexibility isn't only at the beginning, it supports the entire project lifecycle. Another crucial aspect of IT project management is procurement. In Business Central, this is fully integrated. Every purchase order can be directly linked to the project. This gives you full traceability for everything purchased for a project activity: materials, licenses, third-party services, or specialized consulting. When generating a purchase order, you can assign it not just to the project, but also to a specific phase or task. This gives you a level of detail that makes it easy to know exactly where each expense impacts. And the entire process is trackable from order creation to receipt of goods or services to supplier invoice posting, which is linked to the order and automatically updates the project cost. In practice, as soon as the invoice is posted, the system updates the actual project cost, no manual reconciliation needed. You can compare in real time what was planned, what was ordered, and what was actually spent, all with maximum consistency between planning, purchasing, and actuals. This gives you a continuously updated view of the project's financial status, enabling timely action if there are variances, delays, or deviations from the original budget. And everything you purchase is always tied to the correct context, avoiding cost center errors or lost data. In an IT project context, tracking worked hours is essential for both cost control and accurate billing. In Business Central, every resource can easily log their time using a timesheet, entering daily hours worked and linking them directly to the project and specific task. The time entry process is simple and guided. The user selects the project, chooses the phase or task, enters the hours, and can add a short activity description if needed. Once completed, the timesheet is submitted for approval to the manager or project lead, who can verify and approve or reject the entries. This step is key to ensure that the data is validated before impacting the project from both a financial and operational perspective. Only after approval are the hours booked against the project, updating internal costs and feeding into potential time and material billing processes. To complete the project process, there's the billing phase, which in Business Central is handled flexibly and fully integrated. It can be done in bulk by the finance team, based on actuals or planned milestones, with a simple workflow that allows multiple invoices to be generated in just a few clicks, respecting deadlines, commercial terms, and contract types. Alternatively, for more hands-on control, billing can start directly from the project, allowing the project manager to issue a specific invoice tied to a certain activity, phase, or milestone. This is ideal for those working on time and material contracts or managing complex projects with partial billing, giving them autonomy without relying on the full finance cycle. In both cases, everything stays aligned. Project data, costs, timelines, and contract conditions are always under control and updated in real time.